My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that is coming from the site primescanner.com. Primescanner.com is a new, dangerous, and truly deceptive site. Right now it attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website, primescanner.com, is faulty and deceptive. Its main purpose is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. These pop-ups claim to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality they are not associated with any decent security program. So if you see these pop-ups by primescanner.com, don't trust them. I would recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of reliable antivirus software, Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software. After it gets successfully installed, start the program and then begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other possibly hidden infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.